How to pay T-Mobile internet bill. To pay your T-Mobile home internet bill, the easiest way is through the T-Mobile app. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play, then log in or create a new account. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, tap Manage, then Make a Payment. Enter the amount, select or add a payment method, and confirm the payment by tapping Pay. If you don't want to log in or create an account, you can pay as a guest online. Go to the T-Mobile Guest Pay page in your browser. Enter the T-Mobile phone number used by your home internet gateway, which you can find in the T-Mobile Internet app or on the gateway's screen. Enter your payment details and amount. Optionally, add your email to get a receipt. Then click Agree and Submit to finish. You can also pay by phone by calling T-Mobile at 1-877-453-1304 and following the prompts. Another option is paying through your bank using the Bill Pay service. Just add T-Mobile as a provider and provide the required details. If you have a T-Mobile money checking account, you can use that to pay your bill, and T-Mobile customers may get extra perks with this option. You can also pay in person at a T-Mobile store, but there's a $5 plus tax fee for in-store payments. Lastly, if you prefer to mail in your payment, send it to T-Mobile, P.O. Box 742596, Cincinnati, Ohio. Just make sure to mail it at least 5 days before your due date.